Welcome to EZAC's Realtime Payment Manager Screencast demo series. Today we'll be looking at batches, a new function of RPM with an extensive list of features and tools to help manage and schedule transactions. To log on, simply go to our website, ezac.com, and click the Login button to continue. Note the unique web address for RPM is pos.ezac.com. Enter your account or demo account credentials and log in to continue. Once you arrive in RPM, you'll notice the same graphic displays of activity and deposits by card type. This immediately gives you a sense of your transaction traffic. On the top right, the menu bar remains the same, with point of sale, search, and reports, although now we're pleased to introduce batches. RPM's batch feature is very detailed. You can view all options available on the sidebar. Batches can be created manually or by uploading a CSV file. Let's begin by manually creating a new batch. We will then customize it. To create the new batch, enter a batch name, select the effective date, and enter all batch details. This cannot be activated until it contains active transactions. The batch is now created with a start date, end date, and frequency for all transactions within. You can now create a transaction to enter into this batch. Select a transaction type, the amount, and the cardholder information. This is similar to our point of sale function. Reference number and authorization number fields can be customized by the merchant. Make sure to activate the transaction and create. Our batch now contains one transaction. Let's try moving the transaction to a different batch. Check the box and choose the Move function from the menu above the listing. Select the new batch to which this transaction should belong or should be moved, and complete the process. We are now viewing the batch to which the transaction was just moved. It now contains two transactions. As you can see, the original batch created no longer contains any transactions. Let's move these back to our original demo test batch. Our original demo test batch now contains both transactions. We can also perform this function by clicking Bulk Changes. This makes a change to every transaction in the batch. Let's reset the transaction amounts. This would be useful if perhaps there was a change in price structure or applicable taxes. Now all transactions in the batch are set to the same amount. What happens if your transactions in the batch are set to go every month on the last day of every month, but a client specifically requests a different day for their transaction? You won't need to move the transaction outside of your batch. Simply apply a batch override. Batches also has a search function, where you can easily search for batch based on keywords. Batches have an expiring feature where cards and transactions can easily be referenced. Other reporting options are all listed right on the sidebar. Once our batch is complete and contains all transactions, make sure to activate it. The batch is now activated. The best part about batches is that it's all a part of our Realtime Payment Manager system. You can still easily access point of sale, search, or reports at any time. This concludes the batch screencast demo. For more information about batches, please visit the EZACT website at ezact.com. If you would like to sign up for a complimentary demo account, contact us using our contact form and check the sign up button. We look forward to hearing from you.